I want everyone to close their eyes. Seriously, close your eyes. Now I want you to imagine floating in the Dead Sea. I want you to imagine climbing mountains overlooking the desert. I want you to imagine eating delicious food. I want you to imagine building meaningful, lasting relationships. I want you to imagine spending your IAP this way, for free. Now you can open your eyes. My name is Alex Rodriguez, and all that stuff I just told you to imagine, I got to do that stuff as an entrepreneurship teacher through MIT's GTL Israel program. My teammates and I led 4 entrepreneurship workshops at 4 different schools all around the beautiful country of Israel. My favorite part was interacting with students. They were both creative and smart, and it was really wonderful to meet them. Alma spilled glue in her hair one day and still rocked our teamwork building exercise. And Moore, he was a computer genius. As much as I hope we taught them, we also learned. We laughed. We lived. And that's why I encourage you to go explore with GTL Israel. Thank you.